Hello, I'm Isabella and I'm the Publicity Officer for the Cardiff Business School Society. We're a course-based society which focuses on academic and social events. We support students throughout their degree and enhance their university experience. One of our most recent academic events was a CV and cover letter workshop. This really helped the students who needed guidance or wanted to improve their applications. We also collaborate with other societies. We do guest speaker events and other career-focused events. This really helps students gain opportunities and insights of what they could do beyond university. We also offer social events such as our annual Christmas and Spring Ball. These are really good ways to celebrate hard work and make memorable nights with your friends. We also do other social events such as fresher bar crawls, pizza nights and the occasional YOLO night, and many more. And these are really great ways to socialise, make new friends and make the most out of your university experience. We also do abroad trips. Last year we went to Madrid and we're currently planning another one for this year. If you are interested in joining our society, you can go on the Cardiff Student Union website to purchase a membership, or if you'd rather have a chat with us first, you can see us in the Freshers' Fair in September, where we'd love to meet you.